So guys, as you know, the Xiaomi Mi 11 launched alone, but more and more upscale model is on the way, and it just leaked on Weibo. An image of the Mi 11 Pro has been making its rounds, showing the addition of a periscope lens. This design looks quite similar to the renders we saw at the beginning of the month, though the periscope has been rotated 90 degrees. On the front, the display is expected to be the same 6.81 AMOLED panel with 1440p plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 480Hz touch sampling rate. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset. The Mi 11 Pro will feature the best of Xiaomi's charging hardware, according to rumors. This includes the 120W wired charging we saw on the Mi 10 Ultra, as well as the 80W wireless charger that was announced late last year, that will be able to fill up the phone's 4000 mAh battery in just 19 minutes. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro will come with 4 rear cameras in a square-shaped pattern. It also appears to be much larger than the regular quad camera array found on other smartphones, taking up nearly half of the back panel. Although it is hard to tell which lenses Xiaomi will go with, we can expect it to follow Huawei and Samsung's footsteps and throw in an extra telephoto lens to ensure that it can actually deliver on the aforementioned 120x zoom promise. Will be available in anti-glare, AG, frost glass finish in horizon blue, frost white, and midnight gray colors. There will also be a vegan leather version in lilac purple and honey beige shades. Xiaomi has not provided a word on its global launch. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro should be announced in February, after the Chinese New Year, February 12. But there may be an extra model unveiled as well. So this is for today. If you have any questions, comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe guys. See you in next video. Have a great day.